It's starting to snow, so we got to, excuse the boxes, we got to go give hay to the cows and cut up more firewood. Join us. First, we gotta make some hot chocolate.
So I'm grabbing this stuff outside.
For the adult version, hot chocolate, coffee, instant coffee. Just add a little. Let's roll.
What's up, Hans? What's up, Oak? Hans. I don't know how people do this, recording and trying to get stuff done.
That's you too young. I don't listen.
Mom, hold on.
I'm holding on, buddy. I got it. Thank you. Tell Beetle to hold on. You what? Clean it off then.
Brake, push it down into R. Yeah, you're down in R. Now give a little bit gas. Yep.
Can't forget the neighbor's baby pool that blew into our yard. Just load that up in the side by side. Mom's wore out. We made it. You liking the snow, babies? It's really covering now. We got unloaded. It's ready to start splitting.